Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Yes, my people. One more time again, fiery true Jamaican vibes. Right now, I'm on the Lackover main road. I'm gonna take a journey to Slipe today. But I'm on the Lackover main road now. I'm gonna take a right turn right down here on the bridge. So we're going to Slipe. So we now across the bridge to go Santa Cruz. So across the bridge to go Burn Savannah, Mountainside and Slipe. We're on the Lackover Bridge, alright? This is the Lackover Old Bridge. So we're in Lackover St.Elizabeth. Just have to enjoy a ride with me still. I know the road kind of look a bit bad right now this side, so you just have to enjoy the bumpy ride. Close to the police station though, you know, close to the Lackover police station, just about a minute away from the Lackover police station. But now we're gonna make a right turn. So we're going to Slipe, we're gonna make a right turn now. And the first time you saw one place and them calling him Asterisk Park and stuff for it. Them place not really around anymore. Don't know what happened. This must go bad or something, but Asterisk Park is a nice, very very nice place. Lots of attraction over there. Now, so we have a bridge on here, them call it Timber Bridge. Lots of people get saved from many different church. So we call along here. So we're on the Slipe road right now. We're going to Slipe, right? I think it's on the right you find Asterisk Park over there. But it closed down and stuff. Conditions, don't have to see with me, and plus you know it's a bit raining today, having some rain, be careful on the road. We have a lot of coconut tree this year. Many lot of coconut trees. Grass them look green and pretty. Getting some rain in Jamaica today. say the road them bad and stuff still, but I still love the sweet Jamaica same way. Nice can done. No matter how we do, we still enjoy ourselves. Road condition bad, same way I enjoy ourselves. So you know it's gonna take a little bit of time because of the road condition. Just see, just sit and relax on the journey. I think the government needs to do something about the road still. So everybody knows say one way in a Slipe and one way out. One way in, one way out. Can enter from the Black River side. When they enter from Black River side, they're gonna come to Cataboo. But I'm entering from the Lackover side, so you're gonna reach the Slipe here first before you reach to Cataboo, okay? Sorry about the little loud sound in the background because that's the car muffler. So I'm driving the fast car today. So you're gonna hear a little grumbling in the back. But that is just the muffler sound though. Yeah, look at the condition right here. Not looking so good at all. See a mango time in Jamaica, and you know see a mango time in Jamaica, it's also crab season. So you know see a whole heap of crab around them at time, a crab like crazy. Call them Jamaican spider. You get few of them crabs there and make some crab cake. It's very tasty. Yeah, right now I'm picking out somewhere to drive because it's a long while. You know, long while I'll be to Slipe. Very long time. So you know, up on this side you're not gonna have many houses and stuff. You're not gonna have a plenty of houses and stuff. So it's gonna be a little bit lonely. We have a nice pawpaw farm on the left. It's a nice pawpaw farm right there. You don't know, so the pawpaw leaf good for high cholesterol. So you can boil the pawpaw leaf and have a drink. And also you know the right pawpaw. I think you have two types of pawpaw. You have the yellow one and the pink one, like. The pink looking one. So you know in Slipe you have lots of moroses and stuff. lot of marshes, a lot of rivers. You know, say the Slipe River connects to the Black River, also to the Lackover Bridge River. So you have a lot of marshes in this area. When you're driving in Jamaica, you gotta look out for the bike guys. You gotta be very careful. You see some fire in the mirror, so it's not a bushfire or anything. So right now, I'm gonna cross the timber bridge. So I'm gonna cross the timber bridge right now. So you're gonna take a keen look. So I'm on timber bridge right now. So this is timber bridge. Not looking too bad. Yeah, a lot of breadfruit cheese, mangoes, coconut. As you can see on your left and your right, the marrow. You have a lot of cutting grass in there. When you know say that the marrow, careful of getting a lot of cuts. Farming take place in Slipe. Lots of farming. Lot of farming. Also some nice looking house down here. Years when I was like about 10 years, my father used to take me like to horse racing down this side. But trust me, I cannot remember exactly where he take me. But they used to have a lot of horse racing this side. Cataboo, return right, we take it to Cataboo. road don't look too bad. So it's still a good look. So you gotta be careful of animals. A lot of cows on this area. A lot of cows and goats and stuff work. So you gotta look out for the animals. So yeah, the Slipe Primary Infant School on your right. Nice mudfish, gonna visit Slipe. A lot of mudfish in this marsh here. A lot of mudfish. So we're in Slipe, St. Elizabeth. Slipe, St. Elizabeth. So you're gonna keep on watching. I wanna take you out to the next side of a river. It's a nice, it's a very dangerous river. I think you take it to the safari also. On the road enjoying the weather. Coming down. So my people, thank you for watching. Real Jamaican vibes, firing. Like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your love and support. Jamaica, my people. I'm in Slipe. As you can see, it's a very big community, very big community. So as I said, one way in, one way out. From Lackover side and from the Black River side. So this is the right turn that take you to Cataboo. Sorry about that, my people. So we had the right turn to take you to Cataboo. Sorry about that. First turn was the wrong information, so sorry about that. passing Cataboo Basic School. You don't know, saying a Slipe, you know, the people them have a different accent. Them kind of talk different from some different parishes. So there's some Slipe people have a different accent, alright? And also a lot of cashew in this area, a lot of cashew tree. You can see on the left, on the right too, it's a lot of maros on the two sides. Also a lot of cat tree in the area, see? A lot of cat tree. So you know that every parish, them culture kind of different and stuff. Every parish do things different. Also remember, it's now the crab season now. So if you want to catch a whole heap of crab, you can visit Slipe in the night and anytime rainfall a lot. So you know the crab come out when rainfall, them hole full up. So them have to come out so you can catch a lot of crab in this area. Sorry my people, I can't give you some nice Bob Marley on the journey, but you don't know YouTube will copyright, so you can't really play certain music in your videos them. So we have to be careful at the videos when we play, right? So this is the bridge now I'm crossing. This will take you back to the safari also. thank you for watching my people. True Jamaican vibes. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Fiery. Peace. I'm out.